Hi Kyle, so I know we've been talking about Millennials recently, and you've been working here in manufacturing for about 3 years. What is something that motivates you to become more successful and happier in your job?
I would say what motivates me personally is self-improvement and growth. If I'm not better than I was yesterday, then nobody's benefiting from that, me or the company. I love the challenges that I face on a day-to-day basis, sometimes more often than day-to-day. And I love being able to identify an issue, get to the bottom of it, and prevent it from ever happening again.
So you speak about challenges. When you came here, did you expect to do daily problem solving when you started?
Not at all. When I started here, I was more or less looking for a career in manufacturing and just trying to get my feet on the floor. And I'd never seen any machines like this before or anything relatively in this field. I didn't know what they did, and now I work on the machines that I knew nothing about.
So the machines that you saw, were they pretty intimidating now that you've been here for 3 years? I'm assuming they've become less intimidating. How was like coming in at the beginning, seeing these giant machines now compared to now?
Well, like I said, at first I had no idea what they even were. I mean, I didn't understand functionality of how they worked, and now I pretty much understand them to a T and can work on most things related to them.
So continuing with problem solving, do you have an example of a recent problem that you actually solved on the floor?
One that comes to mind is an issue that we had with a capacitor in the past, and we've always had this issue, and we put glue in between the capacitor, in between the pads on the capacitor to prevent it from tombstoning or causing a defect. And upon investigation, we found that the pad layout was not correct for the part. And talking to the board house and had the board changed to implement this action, we haven't seen the defect since.
Awesome. Thank you, Kyle. We look forward to seeing you for many more years in the manufacturing industry.
Thank you.